Hello you guys, and welcome back to Brittany Allen Crafts. I have an unboxing video for you guys today. I'll be unboxing some craft supplies sent to me by an online craft store called BeeBee Craft. BeeBee Craft reached out to me a couple weeks ago and offered to let me choose several of their products in exchange for this video you're watching now, an unboxing, as well as a couple review videos. So you'll see the items that I'm showing you today in the next two DIY videos. Before I do show you guys the products that I got, I wanted to tell y'all first about BeeBee Crafts YouTube program. If you have a YouTube channel, this information is for you. So their YouTube program is a great way for you to get some free craft supplies in exchange for an unboxing video as well as a couple videos reviewing their products. All you need in order to qualify is have a YouTube channel with at least 100 subscribers. If you do, all you need to do is go to their website and apply to the YouTube program and link to your channel. They will review your application and they will review your YouTube channel as well, just to make sure there's like nothing that they don't want to be associated with, right? The review process will ultimately decide if they want to work together with you or not. So once you receive your free products, all you have to do is exactly what you see me doing, and that's do an unboxing video as well as two DIY videos showcasing their products and how you'll use them, and that's it. So once you see what I have to share with you, I think if you're not already convinced, you will be. So let's go ahead and get to it. By the way, I already opened the package and looked at everything because I'm a little kid and it's Christmas. Anytime I receive a package, it's Christmas. Okay, so I had to check it out. I couldn't help it. I did not open the individual packaging because each thing is individually packaged. Our first item, and because I've already tried to record this once, is already out of the plastic. But our first item is by BENECREAT, and I have no idea if I said that right, but this is 10 yards, which is 30 feet of pearl trim chain with rhinestones. It's in the color white, but I think it looks ivory. The width on this is 15 millimeters and it's 3 millimeters thick. And you get all this for $9.99. And I mean, considering that you're getting 10 yards, I think that's a really good deal, especially since it's absolutely stunning. So on the description for this, it says that these are ABS imitation pearls and rhinestones. And it also says that it's no shed and no breaking. And that when you cut it, that like there will be no fallout. So when we use this in my DIY video, which will go up in a few days, I think, we'll see. I'm trying, y'all. I've got a lot going on because I don't know if you noticed, but there's nothing on my walls. Well, except for that thing. Can you guess why there's nothing on my walls? Because we got the house. We're moving into our house. Yeah, we found out a couple days ago and we close on Thursday, I believe. So hopefully Thursday or Friday, I'll be able to take you guys with me. Then I will definitely show y'all a empty house tour, or partially empty house tour. I don't know. But regardless, I'm so freaking excited. I wanted to tell you guys like as soon as it happened, but I didn't want to just tell you in a post on Facebook, in my Facebook group. So hopefully Friday I can record a video and then get that up sometime this weekend. Hopefully by Monday, y'all get to see the house. I don't remember where we are, so we're just going to go on to getting a close-up view of, good Lord, that is so pretty. Just look at it in the light. So you got your pearls and then you got your rhinestones inside your pearls. So yeah, I am so tired, y'all. We gotta hurry. So the next item is by PandaHall Elite, and you're gonna hear that name a few times throughout this video. So their website actually describes these as printed wood beads, and I have no idea why, because they look like they're just like stained. And it's just wood grain, so I don't know. But we'll open them up. But the price on these is $4.89. And you get 200 beads. So although they are small, and yes, I did know they were this small. Although they are small, You get 200, so.
And talking, oh goodness.
And talking about them being small, that's one of the things that I like about this website is they give you really, really accurate and like really helpful size comparisons. I was initially going to order a variety pack of sizes with like 420 something beads in it, wood beads in it. The guy that I was emailing back and forth with, I was going to tell you guys this regardless, but I just don't know if I should get into everything. So the guy that I was emailing back and forth with about the brand deal, he said that because of the traffic and weather influence that they're not recommended to choose the wood products. But let's just open this up and let me show you. Most of the items on that website are packaged in like a Ziploc bag, some of them airtight. And when he told me that, you know, obviously I changed my order, and it wasn't just that, it was that my order was over their budget for like a few bucks. I'll just tell you what I think, okay? I think he was trying to avoid telling me that there was going to be a weight limit on what I could order. And he was trying to avoid that by saying not to order any wood, because I wasn't just going to order the 400 and something beads. I was going to order these huge wood blocks. I go look at these wood blocks and they're over 2,000 grams alone. But yeah, these are in a plastic container, which I really like that. That a lot of the things come with their own little containers. I really, really like that. I'm all about some organization and some containing, some containing in some containers. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah. So it was in this plastic, and then it was in this, and then it's in this too. So it's in three things. But I wonder if he was telling me that so he could avoid saying anything about there being a restriction on the weight, because he was already having to tell me to change it because I was a couple dollars over. So I don't know. It wouldn't have been that big of a deal. I just kind of wish he would have told me that to begin with. Honestly, I don't know if I said this already, but yeah, the first time he had me change it and said that it was over a few dollars and that they're advised for us not to order any wood products. And I changed it, and then he told me to change it again because it was over 2,000 grams. And then once it's all set in stone, I go and I look, and the wood blocks are over 2,000 grams alone. And I don't know why he would have been like worried about telling me that to begin with, but it would just been way easier if he had. But yeah, so I like that it comes with this little container. While it might be, you know, basic or whatever, I like containers. They are small, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with them, and I probably will go back and order that 400 and something pack. But if you guys can think of anything that I could use these for, let me know down in the comments. I spent way too much time talking about that. Alright, so this next item is also by PandaHall Elite, and this is nylon twisted cord rope. And see, it's in this Ziploc bag, and then it's also in more plastic too. This is I can't remember if I said that already. This 5mm twisted cord rope, and it's made out of nylon. You'll get 18 yards or 52 feet of this rope, and you'll get that for $9.34. This is in the color tan, and I'm pretty sure they have other colors as well. Huh, that's cool. Got a little pin that holds it in there. And also, I like that it's on this spool. But yeah, on the website, it says that this is no fade, no transfer, and that the color and the thickness will be consistent all the way through it. And I mean, they're not lying. Immediately, I am in love with the color of it, and it is so soft, y'all. It's got like that shiny, like feel, like shiny look, but also kind of like, I don't know, it's shiny. Can you have a shiny feel? That's the only way I know how to explain it. It's got a shiny feel to it. It's different than any rope I've ever seen, that's for sure. I think that it will be great to use for Christmas because the color is just perfect for Christmas. It's not like it would be perfect for everything, like any season or any holiday, but I can't wait to use it for Christmas. But yeah, I like that it's on a spool. spool. So I don't know if I could, did I get a close-up view of that? Here we go. It's very pretty. Let me know what y'all think, guys. Do y'all like that it's in this odd color? Like, I've never seen rope in this color, or like, not just necessarily the color, but the shiny appearance that it has. I've never seen anything like it. And I don't hate it. These spools are just so handy. Like, I'm all for having my craft supplies on display, and oh my god, that's why I cannot wait to get into our new house. I don't know, like, because I can just do whatever I want there, you know. I can paint, y'all. I can paint. It's gonna take some time, obviously, to be able to do everything that I want to do in there, but I can't wait to just have storage, like, from floor to ceiling, from wall to wall. Like, ugh, but that was what I was trying to say, is I love having my craft supplies on display so that it can spark ideas whenever I'm like looking around. And these would just be perfect just to sit. Well, I wish this one had a little thing that held it, like a little stabby thing. Wish it had a little stabby thing to hold it in place. But I mean, come on, just have these on like a little shelf right next to each other. How pretty. I'm all for displaying some stuff, y'all. Displaying like I like displaying stuff that's not, most people wouldn't display, but who would not want to display this? Okay, stop, Brittany, stop. We get it. This is by PandaHall Elite. It is woven gimp braid trim, and it's in the color gold. So this trim is 14 meters by 15 yards, and it's 2 millimeters thick. And this one is made out of polyester, and this will cost you $9.89. The website describes it as fluffy and comfy and says that it's washable and durable. The middle of it is slightly more gold than the outside, which is more of a, like a, the middle look to me is more like a fake gold, and then the outside is more like the color of a real gold. But then the back of it is just one solid color. So we'll see. I might end up just using the back of it. Alright, so here is our 5th item, and it's by the brand In Beads. And this is 2 rolls of vintage style lace ribbon. One roll is white and the other is ivory. It says that it's 6 inches by 25 yards, but then it also says that it's 6 inches by 5 yards per roll. So, I don't know. But just by looking at one roll, you can tell that it's a lot. So, this one is the ivory. I love it. I've wanted some lace for so long. It's almost like flowers or something. But yeah, there is so many things that I can do with this, y'all. And, I mean, look at that. It's like a freaking roll of toilet paper. That is how thick this is. And that's just one. You get 2 rolls of toilet paper. So here's the white. It looks like one of these, yeah, I think one of these is thicker. Unless this is just like smushed. Not sure. I've never bought lace before, so I don't know. Like, y'all tell me, is that a good deal? Oh my goodness. Okay, so $7.99. So both of these for $7.99. That is a good deal. Well, I mean, like I said, though, y'all tell me, because I've never bought lace before. So I think it would be, I mean, surely it's a good deal. $8 for 2 rolls. And like I said, I don't know if it's 25 yards or if it's 5 yards per roll. Because, I mean, even if it's 5 yards per roll, that does not equal 25 yards combined. So, unless, no, because even if it was 25 feet and then 5 yards per wall. That still wouldn't add up. Because if it was 5 yards, then that would be 5 times 3 is 15 times 5 times 3 is 15 times 2 is 30. So I don't know. It's likely that I just wrote like something wrong, but if I am wrong, and hopefully I am so that we can figure this thing out, I will write it down in the description, because I will link each and every single one of these items for you guys, as well as the YouTube program and BeeBee Crafts, just their website. So, but here's the white, and I believe it's just the same pattern. But yeah, guys, so that's everything. Finally, I know. I was really hoping that I was going to be able to record a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. It's actually like a Dollar Tree / Walmart haul. What time is it? It's 1:44 a.m. in the morning. Nope. About to go to sleep. I'm so tired, y'all. It has been a long, long day. But I don't know. I don't even know why I'm sitting here like putting stuff up, just talking. Yeah, I need to go sleep. So that's everything. Again, I will link everything in the description. I will link to BeeBee Crafts website. I will link to their YouTube program. And I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell, share on all your social medias or with your friends and family or both. And if you do, comment, share down in the comment section so that I know to shout you out in my next video. All right, give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys.